welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, share a makeup tutorial here for this hair look. Then y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to go ahead and click on my subscribe button, you all, because it really helps out my channel. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into this hair makeup tutorial. But before we jump into the makeup tutorial, to kind of like share a few things that I started using again in my collection. Quick about this here, the Nessa Myricks Yummy Skin. I do have number 7, and that's what I used all over my face, because if y'all don't know, I am combination. This here is good for your warm hot days, and I did pair it with paired it with the Bobbi Brown face base. Yeah, I really, like I said in the tutorial, I really like this a whole lot. I do have the other foundation that was in the liquid, but I think the liquid one is a little off. So I saw the tutorial and I was like, well, let me pull this out and try it or whatever. Remember to link everything, you all, but if not, try and hold up each product that I use. So far so good. I am going out today. We probably go Air Bread or maybe Starbucks. I'm not sure because it looks like it's about to rain, so fingers crossed it don't. It's my last day off and I wanted to enjoy my last day off. I'm gonna do a voiceover as far as the makeup tutorial, or I'm gonna just speed through it. So lip today, let me show you lip. So what I have on is the Sephora collection number 17, and when I was cleaning my makeup section, I found this in like this here case, because I got this at the cosmetic company store, I think like last year. My stuff to be out so I can see it, because it came with this and glitter. But I don't know what I could use to make this glitter glue stick, so I may have to buy some eyeshadow glitter glue if that's a thing. So I ended up using this with the brown liner. So this here is a liquid lip. So the key is you have to, of course, let the liquid lip dry, and then that's when I topped it with my MAC lip gloss I'm wearing, because y'all know I always on a pinky nude, like a really light in the middle with a brown liner, and I was just like, let me switch it up. So let me know what you think of this here lip. So that being said, we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into this here makeup tutorial. So before I go, please make sure you subscribe, and with that being said, let's go on over to this makeup tutorial, y'all, so y'all can see how I beat this face. Yes. I'm trying a new setup, because like I said, I want to incorporate more makeup tutorials here on my channel. Bobbi Brown face base, and I just love. And you're gonna get like real Miss Tamika like, because I know I watch makeup tutorials, and you know, those women do things to their face. I never had Botox, injections. I never had none of that. So this is the rawness of Miss Tamika. I am 46, so if my skin looks a little not youthful, it's because I am a little older in age. But yes, here just in case, you know, anything I do here on this channel is achievable. Like, I'm not a professional, so y'all can kind of like relate to me a little more, because sometimes when I watch those makeup gurus and I'm like, yeah, so this is, you know, I want to say more so a real life makeup tutorial, if you get what I'm saying. Like, this is not edited with special equipment. I don't have special lights all over here. The only lights that I have are my vanity lights and just in this here one light, and I am using my Canon 70D. Said I'm not sure what foundation I want to use as of yet, because I did get a hold of some white foundation out of House of Labs, and the reason why I got a sample of it is because I heard when you add white to a darker foundation, it lightens it up. I think maybe 1 or 2 foundations that's a little dark. So I was like, oh, instead of giving them away, I said, let me try this whole white foundation thing. Thinking of doing that today just to see if it works. Or if I don't do that, I was thinking of using the Nessa Myricks foundation balm. Ended up with the wrong shade with that, so I'm gonna peek at that really quick just to see. So here's the Nessa Myricks balm. Here is the shade. I may use this today and see how this setup looks, and then I may do another tutorial using the white foundation because I really liked how it looked. Using the number 7. So what I'm gonna do is use the brush first, go behind it with a sponge. My Kosas.